Hey everybody! For the first lesson in Codility's sorting section, we have the distinct challenge. We are given an array of 6 integers labeled A like this. What we need to do is return the count of how many distinct numbers there are in the array. If you look, there are 3 1s, 2 2s, and 1 3. The answer will be 3 because there are 3 distinct numbers in the array, 1, 2, and 3. My gut instinct was to use the set function right away, but could it really be that easy? Could set give me 100% across the board? Considering my track record of consistent failures on every first try, I really wasn't sure. Hey there! If you made it this far and enjoy what you're seeing, why not subscribe? I upload fresh content all the time. Thanks for watching. So let's go for it and open up our Codility test screen. Oh, let's skip that. Yes, we're ready. Oh, they've messed up the screens a little bit. Okay, Python. Listen, we're just gonna go for it. I actually feel a little dumb creating a variable of x for a set of A. Now I'm just going to return the len of x and run it. Looks good. Submit it. I have no faith that this is going to return 100%, but let's see. Here we go. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. I'm actually speechless. I have never gotten 100% right off the bat. Wow. Okay, well, there you have it. I don't even know what to say. I mean, I feel good about it. I guess if I was going to tell you which Codility test was the easiest, well, there you'd have it. It makes me happy, sure, and I would never want to complain. But am I being punked? To be honest, there isn't much to go over. I thought maybe I'd be forced to explore other solutions, but I guess not. So this is a short video. What did you think about this test? I'd love to hear your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Daily videos throughout the week are coming out, so don't forget to subscribe.